Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian and today I have a special apartment to show you. This could be a good deal for someone who's looking for a daily rental apartment in Provenza, in the heart of all the action, really close to the restaurants. When I say close, I'm talking 30 seconds away. This apartment has been a daily rental for the last 5 years. The owner is looking to buy another apartment that he's going to live in and bring his family here from time to time. But he is, on the move upwards to get a bigger place. This one here is approximately 83 square meters. It's a 2-bedroom. As I said, it's a daily rental apartment with a good rental yield. It is priced really well at approximately $218,000 with parking, again in the heart of the tourist district. We can do a deal without parking also. It's negotiable. Let's go take a look at this apartment. Here we go. So this apartment, as you can see, turnkey, ready to go, ready to rent out tonight if you want. It is ready. So probably needs a little bit of updating. It was renovated 5 years ago. Me personally, I'd get rid of the blue paint and again, maybe put some nice wood in the apartment here, but it's ready to go. So it is a 2-bedroom unit, approximately 83 square meters. I could be off, but probably on the low side. It could be 85 square meters. I can put that in the description, the end of the video here. But this is the kitchen. Again, everything good, everything working, rents out really well. The owner has actually had it priced probably under market for nightly rentals. It could fetch a little bit better price than what he's had it priced at. You got your laundry room back here. And again, I believe that you can get a very good ROI from this apartment, and it's priced to sell. We've already had a few people interested and some showings a little later today, but again, I know you guys out there will do your numbers, but again, this is prime Provenza, $218,000 with parking, and it is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. And as I said, the reason he's selling is he wants to buy a bigger apartment here. He has one or two in mind. And he actually doesn't need to sell this one, but I think he's ready to move on from daily rentals and just have a place for himself. That's kind of the goal. And again, this is a licensed daily rental, just to be clear, which is very important in the city. It has a RNT, a Register of National Tourism. Take a look at the principal bedroom washroom. And again, this one, well managed, will rent out at anywhere from 85 to 95% occupancy. In this area here, you are looking, even for some hotel rooms here, you're looking at $150 to $200 a night now. This is a fully furnished, ready to go. And by the way, the furniture is included. Brand new TVs, 60-inch TVs. And then you've got your other bedroom here. Always good to have 2 bedrooms. These 2 beds, by the way, could be joined together for a king size. Take another look at the living room. kitchen. So if you're interested in this, you can contact me at expatcrib.com/contact and mention Provenza 2-bedroom daily rental unit. And I will get back to you as soon as possible. Like I said, at $218,000, this is priced to sell. Very good price. You can run your own numbers at 85 to 95% occupancy. And right now it rents out for approximately $100 a night, which I believe is too low, but he's never put the price up. And again, if you were to put your own finishing touches on this apartment, it wouldn't take much. If you're thinking of doing a small renovation, but as you can see, it's turnkey, ready to go as is. So this is Ian from ExpatCrib. Again, if you want a showing of this apartment, just contact us at expatcrib.com/contact and mention Provenza 2-bedroom daily rental unit.